Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best Instant Pot multi-use cooker available on the market. The Instant Pot 4QT RIO Mini 7-in-1 multi-cooker in the elegant rosewater finish. This compact yet powerful kitchen appliance is designed to simplify your life and elevate your meals. Whether you're a student, living solo, or cooking for a small family, this 4-quart dynamo is your all-in-one solution. Let's dive in. First up, what makes this model stand out is its 7-in-1 functionality. You can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, whip up homemade yogurt, and keep your food warm, all using one sleek machine. That's not just versatility, that's efficiency with style. Now, let's talk size. Despite its compact build, the RIO Mini doesn't compromise on performance. It offers the same cooking surface as an 8-inch pan, but it's much easier to store and fits seamlessly on small countertops or inside cabinets. Perfect for tight kitchens, dorms, or apartments. And don't let the Mini fool you. This 4-quart capacity is actually very functional. You can prepare up to 4 servings at a time, which is ideal for daily meals or small batch meal prepping. One of the coolest features is the cooking progress indicator. It lets you monitor your meal at a glance, showing you exactly what stage your food is in. No more guessing, no more hovering. The inner pot comes with an anti-spin design, making it easier to stir and sauté without the pot moving around. It may seem like a small touch, but once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Let's talk speed. The RIO Mini can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. That means you can enjoy tender, flavor-packed dishes in a fraction of the time. Of course, we can't ignore the aesthetic. The rosewater finish isn't just trendy, it's a bold, modern statement for your kitchen. It's rare to find appliances that perform at this level and look this good doing it. The product is made from stainless steel with a matte finish. Dimensions are approximately 12.5 inches deep, 13.8 inches wide, and 10 inches high. It runs on 120 volts, so if you're outside the US, you'll need a converter. Just something to keep in mind. As of now, this Instant Pot RIO Mini is available at a Prime exclusive deal price of $64.99, down from its original list price of $89.99. And yes, over 4,000 units were sold just in the past month. That tells you it's not just hype, people love it. If you're someone who wants smart cooking, compact design, beautiful aesthetics, and time-saving features all rolled into one, this Instant Pot is a no-brainer. To sum it up, it's functional, space-saving, stylish, and powerful. Whether you're new to cooking or a kitchen pro, the Instant Pot RIO Mini 7-in-1 deserves a spot on your countertop. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description to grab yours before the deal ends. See you in the next video.